And just one more seedling update video, and this one is all about the leafy greens, so the chards, the spinaches, the Asian greens, the lettuces and all of that. Let's take a look. So now we're on to the leafy salad greens. So these are the December sown lettuces, December planted lettuces, and they're looking okay, a little bit worse for wear, but not too bad. Still got a few weeks life left in them. And these are the equivalent plants in the polytunnel, looking quite a lot better. A bit crazy volumes of salads in here. And in the back garden we've got our new season salad beds, and I've just taken the covers off those and they're looking really nice, and those are all interplanted with salad onions. And then we've got loads of tatsoi and red pak choi, which is another big favourite of ours in the salads. And then just here we've got all the Asian greens for cooking as well, which are looking really great. And loads of new season spinach, and we've got another bed of this which is about 3 weeks behind. So we finished with the true spinach now, and so we're on to the Asian spinach seedlings, and they'll be planted out in a couple of weeks, maybe a week actually. A few random crops like celery and parsley, chard, and then we've got the new season chard. Not too much of it because it grows into huge plants. Celeriac, salad rocket, red vein sorrel. I'm a bit behind with my celeries, so I've just pricked these out. So we've got cutting celery, parsley, giant red celery, and a bit more parsley and whatever. And I have got some just traditional blanching green celery as well upstairs. I hope you like this quick seedling update video. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel. If you want more details about the way that I grow, take a look down below, and there's links to my ebook. Covers everything that I've been talking about. See you soon.